Okay, now we will see the example of addition of uh, hydrohalogenation of addition of HBr to the cyclic olefin. That means 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane. So the same thing as this is addition of electrophile. Electrophile we are going to add across carbon-carbon double bond. So electrophile is nothing but the H. We can generate it from HBr. So it's electrophilic addition across carbon-carbon double bond. So there are two different types again, nucleophilic addition also there and free radical addition also there. So that things we will see in next lectures, in coming lectures, but currently we will finish the addition of HBr, HCl or HF or HI or water molecule. Okay, water addition of water molecule to the carbon carbon double bond. So here we will see now addition of HBr to the carbon-carbon double bond. So we know electrophilic addition. So definitely there is generation of carbocation. So here carbon-carbon double bond abstracts proton. Okay, Br minus eliminated. Okay, so now Br minus acts as a Lewis base now, and carbocation formed, it acts as a Lewis acid now. So carbocation, as we know, is sp2 hybridized. It's a planar in geometry. Okay, so Br minus now it will attack from bottom face as well as from top face. So here I have written so how the structure we have to write, and Br minus will attack on this carbocation from the bottom side as well as from the top side. Okay, so as carbocation is planar and sp2 hybridized, so both side attack is possible. Same case we can find in SN1 reaction as well as in E1 reaction. In SN1 E1 reaction also there is a formation of positive charged carbon atom, and in SN1 reaction, as we will see, we have seen already, SN1 reaction is stereoselective reaction. Okay, because two products are forming normally, and because the why these two products are forming, because the carbocation is positively charged and planar, that's why electrophile nucleophile can attack from either face of the carbocation. So here either face, from top face and from bottom face, Br minus will attack. So in that way we will get two different product, trans and cis. Okay, so as we get two different products, so the reaction is not stereospecific reaction. Okay, so here we have come to the conclusion that addition of HBr, HCl, HI across cyclic olefin, it's not stereospecific reaction. Attack of the bromide anion on the carbocation intermediate will happen with equally probability at top and the bottom of the planar of the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Thus the reaction is regiospecific, although this is relevant in the example above because both carbons of the alkyls are equally substituted, but not stereospecific. Okay, so this reaction we can say regiospecific, but definitely not stereospecific. Okay, so this is the thing. Now carbocation rearrangement. Now we will see one more example about the addition reaction across carbon-carbon double bond, and how the carbocations is involving, and how the carbocations, that one is rearrangement occurs, and due to that rearrangements how the product formation, that one is changing. Okay, so carbocation rearrangement. So we have taken one another example of Lewis base olefin, Bronsted base or Lewis base, and that one we are going to react with HBr. Okay, which acts as a Lewis acid or Bronsted acid. So carbon-carbon double bond, as it acts as a Lewis base, it abstracts proton. So proton is getting attached to the where already two protons has been attached. Okay, already two protons has been present. So a third proton will attack on this end of the carbon-carbon double bond, and secondary carbocation we got generated. Now we know that we very well, very nicely we know that carbocations undergoes the rearrangement by hydride shift as well as alkyl group shifting. Okay, so now here this proton and one more thing, any carbocation will form secondary carbocation, primary carbocation. So that carbocation will try to achieve more stability by shifting of these this shifting alkyl groups or hydride ion, and by shifting of this alkyl hydride ion, we can achieve, or that carbocation can achieve the more stability. Now here also the same thing happens. Secondary carbocation in this one hydride is getting shifted. Hydrogen with lone pair hydride is shifted from this carbon atom to the carbon which possesses positive charge, and here we got again secondary carbocation, but this secondary carbocation is more is more stable via resonance. Okay, how the resonance? Because this positive charge now, this one is in conjugation with this aromatic system, aromatic benzene ring, and this positive charge is, it can, and it can get it, that is a part of resonance of this benzene ring. This carbon-carbon double bond is shifted from here to here outside the ring. This positive charge is getting entered into this benzene ring. So this benzene positive charge is revolving on different carbon atoms, or delocalizing on different carbon atoms, and due to that delocalization, this positive charge or this secondary carbocation is, we can say, it's highly stable. And we know the carbocation, or the carbocation which is highly stable, that forms very faster. Okay, and once carbocation form, it acts as a Lewis acid. So this one is Lewis acid now, and Br minus, which acts as a Lewis base. And this, as this carbocation, stabilized carbocation forms faster with faster rate. So Lewis base, whatever Lewis base present in your flask or in your reaction mixture, that one is getting attached fast with faster rate with this carbocation, and we will get this major product. Okay, so pay attention. Remember, the carbocation which is highly stable, then that carbocation only gives the major product of the alkylation, okay, or halogenation reaction. So bromo, this compound is the major product. Okay, and the minor product, so from this secondary carbocation we will get this product, and which we can say this one is the minor product. Okay, so this is the carbocation rearrangement occurs in formation of different products. So here I have given, so hydride shift occurs, how that one is occurs equivalent to hydride. Okay, so how the intermediate is forming, why when hydride shift occurs. Okay, so everything, this, all these basic things we should know before going to study the exact stereochemistry of the product. Okay, so here we will take one more example of the how the carbocation rearrangement occurs. So again, one more symmetric olefins I have taken. So this acts as a Lewis base. Symmetric, this is symmetric molecule. Again reacts with HBr, Lewis acid, Lewis or Bronsted acid. Formation of secondary carbocation over here. Now we will see now this methyl group. This secondary carbocation, what that one is doing to achieve more stability. This carbocation leads to shifting of this alkyl group. Okay, so this alkyl group shifting from here to this positively charged carbon atom, and once methyl group is shifted, we can get the tertiary carbocation. Okay, so this one is the high, more stable, and this will react with bronze Lewis base Br minus to get the this final product. So this one is the our major product. Okay, so pay attention. Here is, I have written note. This note is very important. The term Markovnikov loses, the term Markovnikov rule, whatever the rule is there, Markovnikov addition rule, it loses its meaning when there is a carbocation rearrangements. Okay, so pay attention. Whenever there is a carbocation formation in your additional product, no other rules they do work, only that carbocation rearrangement rule only work out. And carbocation, definitely that one will undergo rearrangement to achieve higher stable carbocation which is present previously in that mixture. So that these things happens in case of the addition reactions.